Welcome to DS Trucks. In today's video, I want to talk about how to make money with just a pickup truck and basic tools. So here's a look at our 2018 F-150 truck that we're going to be using. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that we've done this multiple times on the channel. And I'm going to go ahead and link those other videos that describe other ways that you can make money with just a simple truck. But today we're going to be doing something really easy, and that is seeding. So we're going to be spreading grass seed, and essentially what we're going to be doing is just spreading premium grass seed. I like to run premium grass seed. I picked this up from the Landscape Supply. This is a sunshade mix. This is their good grass seed. And we're going to be laying down erosion control and using a starter fertilizer. And that's going to be our money today. That's going to be a quick little hit, done in and out in probably half an hour. And it's something you can do with just a truck. So once you've gotten a few of these little niche items that you can do, you need very, very little equipment, and you can earn some decent money. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. We need to pick up one more thing. There's an item that is run out that is missing, and that is Canadian peat moss, something that holds moisture. So we're going to pick up some Canadian peat moss. I'll take you on this job with me, and I'll show you the job, and I'll let you guys know how much it costs. Anyway, see you guys at the next scene. All right, here on site, and here you can see our last item, which is peat moss. I use Canadian peat moss. This stuff holds moisture and gives the grass seed a better chance to grow, and it hasn't failed me yet. So essentially what I'm going to do is put down grass seed first. Then I'm going to put down the fertilization, starter fertilization for new grass. Then I'm going to go ahead and put down the peat moss on top of that. Then I'm going to put down the erosion control blanket last. So let me show you guys what we're doing in the area we're working on. Alright, so here is the small little area that we're working on, and it's been hard to establish grass seed in this spot, but we're going to come in here with our technique and we will see if the grass will take hold, and I'm pretty sure it will, in this little corner next to the house here. So anyway, let's grab the grass seed first, put it down, then we'll put down our moss, and that'll be that. Alright, so the grass seed is down, and this is what I'm rolling with as far as the spread. Not too heavy, not too light. And I ended up raking up some of this stuff that was just on the ground here. So picked up some of that stuff, and then we got the grass seed down. Next is the starter fertilization for the grass seed. Alright, starter fertilizer down. Now time for the peat moss. Get the spread real quick. Alright, so the peat moss is down, and for the peat moss I like to go really heavy because it's so light and fluffy. The grass is going to have no problem poking up through this peat moss, and it's going to hold like 10 times its moisture, or 10 times its weight in moisture. So it's going to really help in an area that doesn't get irrigation. It's going to help the seed germinate. It's going to hold a lot of water. And like I said, going heavy like this, I've never had any issues. It always poked right through. I've used pretty much half of this bale in this small little area, and it breaks down pretty quick, covers up the seed. The only issue is it's so light that if I don't cover it up with this erosion control blanket, it'll blow away within a day or two. So I'm going to cover this up, stake it down, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, here we are. We're rolling out the blanket. looks like it's a little skinny, so we should be able to stretch it a little. We'll see. Let's see, get it all rolled out here. All right, and here is a look of the area covered up with the erosion control. And like I said, it's got the peat moss underneath, starter fertilization, and grass seed. So in a few weeks, this should start growing. But anyway, see you guys inside the truck. All right, guys, in the truck here and on the road back home. Now, that was a quick, easy hit that you can do with just a truck. Obviously, you can scale it up if you have a bigger property to do something like that there. That's like a big open lot. But for that little spot that we did, that was $150. Now, normally I'll charge $1 a square foot. So one of those rolls costs about $25, and the grass seed along with the peat moss is another $20. Now the grass seed for $20, it's gonna get you through a few of those rolls. The grass seed is not that expensive. The peat moss, it was $16, and it'll probably get you through 2 of those rolls. So, you know, let's just say the peat moss is like $8, and the grass seed's probably like $5. It's probably even less than that. But so, all in all, just to get in the door, the cost of the materials is probably going to be $30 to $40. But like I said, I charge $1 a square foot. So one of those rolls would cost about $200 to do the whole roll. Now that property, I have a minimum of $150 to do any kind of seeding, and that one was under the minimum because it was less than 200 square feet. So I just charged $150, which works out to more than $1 per square foot. More than $1 per square foot, but it was bigger than what was it? I don't know. It was less than 200 square feet. I think it was maybe like 100 square feet or something like that. But anyway, guys, that's it for the video. How to make money with just a pickup truck. I like doing these because, hey, why not? Why not go out there and hustle with just a truck? So share these videos if you know anybody who's looking for a side hustle of any kind, or anyone looking to make some money on the side with just a truck. This is an interesting one because you could do this with a car. You know, you don't even need a pickup truck to do this. You could do this with a wagon if you had to. So anyway, share the video. Thanks for watching. How to make money with just a truck. Links down below to more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And over and out.